In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account in XM. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go up top, click on here, and then you want to switch to the Real tab and click on the plus button where it says New Account, and then click on Real Account. Now, if you don't have a real account yet, you'll be able to do this, but if you have one already, you will first have to get your account verified, and only after that you'll be able to create an additional one. So here, just select your MT5 or MT4, whatever you want to use, click on Continue, choose your account type, and then when you do, click on that and click on Continue. Then you want to customize your trading account, and if you have a partner code, you can enter it over here as well. And then you have to declare this and press on Continue yet again, and after that, you have to set your account password and then click on Complete. So after you do that, here you'll be able to see you now have a real account created under the real account section. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.